Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com, GM3D505. We're just taking it out of the box. We've taken the protective wrap off of it, got our door handles on. Now we want to make sure we take off our shipping restraints. There's 3 of them up here. They're red and they have red tie wraps on them. So you want to take your pair of side cutters out of your toolbox and you want to make sure that you snip that tie wrap off like that. Be cautious of the belt. These just wrap around there to keep this from moving around and shipping. Get right there. And it just comes right off like that. Once you get all of them off there, you'll be able to move the XY around. Alrighty. They're all off. Now you can move this around and everything should move freely. On some printers that are shipped, you want to make sure that you look inside. And you want to make sure you look right underneath this rod right here. On some of these that are shipped, there's a foam packing here, and on others there's a red connector with a big red tie wrap on it, and that has to be cut off just like we cut off the little ones up on top. I'm Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. That's how you free up all the X, Y, and Z movements on your brand new GM3D505.